Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is Reloaded episode 7 of our Grave Tour of the Famous series. In this video, we return to Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina in search of notable individuals and famous celebrities interred in this part of Metro Manila. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of an actor, comedian, TV host, and talent manager. Located at the western side of the park at Promenade of Devotion section, we found the final resting place of master showman Herman Moreno. Herman Molina Moreno was born in October 1933 in Santa Cruz, Manila. He was an actor, comedian, TV host, and talent manager, and best remembered as host for TV variety show in the 1970s to 1990s, including GMA Super Show and That's Entertainment, as aired over GMA 7. Prior to his acting career, Moreno worked at Clover Theater in 1957 as cleaner and curtain raiser before he was given role for vaudeville stage performances at Manila Opera House. Moreno had 217 films and TV credits as actor, 7 as writer, 3 as director, and 1 as producer from 1962 to 2014. He first appeared in 1962 movie Kababalaghan o Kabalastugan with Lupito and Deli Atay-Atayan. Moreno's other film appearances include 1963 Si Adyang Waray starring Nida Blanca with Dolphy and Panchito. 1963 Dansorama starring Jose Marie and Susan Roses. Patusi! 1963 Ang Senyorito at ang Atchay starring Juancho Gutierrez and Amalia Fuentes.
Isang mainhing binatang layo. Nang malaman ni lalaki ang ginawa ni babae, ito'y nasiraan ng bait. Naulol.
Kasi gusto ko nang mag-asawa. Ilang buwan na natin hinahanap ang inyong anak. Hindi naman natin siya makita. Wala ang inyong anak. Sa loob-loob ko, pwede na siya.
At paano mo naman nasigurong ako'y pakakasal sa'yo?
Kasi napasok ko sa iyong mukha. Sabik ka na rin mag-asawa.
What? Hirap ang ulo mo. Bago ko pumayag na pakasal sa'yo, magsusuicide muna ako.
1968, Artista ang Aking Asawa starring Dolphy and Lolita Rodriguez. 1971, Guy and Pip, the first of the 3 films he directed starring Nora Honor and Tirso Cruz III.
Yan bang pinagmamalaki mong star? Star Apple. Walang ginawa kundi maglaro sa set.
Alam mo naman, baguhan pa yan eh. Kasi pa walang katorya-torya naman talagang script eh. Huwag nga kayo mag-away dyan dalawa. Nagkakagulo na nga eh, dadagdagan niyo pa. Buti pa, puntahan na natin sila.
Buti pa, hindi pa tumasag. Nagdadaldal kayo rito.
Naku.
Magaling mag-daldal na. Ikaw yun. Yoko na tao eh. Ito, liniligaw ko na matinukunwari shooting eh. Tatawa-tawa. Parang pusa itong dalawang to eh.
Tama na nga, tayo na.
Ano ba naman? Buti pa pumunta muna tayo sa kantin. Ba, naku. Tama na pala, hindi mo muna ako. Kaso pa naman okay eh. Sige na mamaya na.
1972, A Gift of Love starring Nora Honor and Tirso Cruz III with Luis Gonzalez.
Chris, ano ba nangyayari sa'yo? At pabalik-balik kang parang nagpupresisyong mag-isa dyan. May putpud na ang swelo tuloy ang karpet ng swelo sa'yo ah.
Sorry, Nardo. Pero ilang gabi na itong hindi ako makatulog eh.
Alam ko, kaya pati tuloy ako ay nagkakaroon ng insomnia dahil sa'yo. Bakit ba hindi ka mapakali? Ano ba ang gumugulo sa isipan mo?
Hindi ko nga malaman.
Naku, huwag mo na akong bulahin. Iniisip mo si Jane, hindi ba? You are falling in love with her. Aminin mo na.
1978, Mga Mata ni Angelita starring Julie Vega.
Pinala kayo ng Biko. May infinite pa. Biko kayo dyan. Nakoga mo to sa mga mag-asawang may problema. Bindi.
1986, Payaso, his starring role. 1990s, GMA Super Show as aired over GMA 7 as TV host.
Sa inyo, sasayaw ka, kanta mo, palaro at premyo. Sigurado may panalo kayo. GMA Super Show, sana ay magsama-sama tayo.
1990s, That's Entertainment as aired over GMA 7 as TV host.
Okay, now, patas ang yugyugan, kantahan, that's acting naman.
Yes, ang
Okay,
una
Jennifer.
nating pair from Marlene and Jojo's group, Josel and Med Trinidad.
Okay. Meron binabating happy
Oo nga
birthday.
eh. Di ba hindi naman
Next.
narinig? Pinilit kitang hanapin. Pinabayaan ko buhay ko.
Kat! Dahil ba yata dialogue ah? Uy! 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 Mag-honors na tayo! Mag-honors na! Uy! Uy!
1996 GMA Telecine Specials, may apat na sulok ang bilog with Susan Roses, Boots Anson Roa, and Gina Pareño as aired over GMA 7.
Nakuha na ng mga hold-upper yung pera nasa bag na hindi naman sa'yo. Anak, isoli mo na lamang yan. Kung gusto yung bandali mo sa konsyensya mo yung ninakaw mong pera.
Uwi nga ako sa amin sa Baguio para...
Pero anak, kahit saan ka magtago, mahanap at mahanap ka rin ng mga may kapangyarihan. Sa palagay mo kaya, gugustuhin ng iyong ina at ng iyong mga kapatid yung ginawa mong pagnanakaw.
2012, The Kilabots, Pogi Brothers, Hue, starring Jose Manalo and Wally Bayola.
Kanina pa tayo. Hindi mo pa kayo handa dyan. Ay! Ano? Kuya James! Oh, Kuya James! Opo! Hey! Hindi Kuya James. Hermano mayor.
Sinanay naman, ulyanin ka. Hindi, uy! Kuya James ka ng Kuya James. Di Kuya Hermano yan.
O Kuya Hermano! Tama na.
Kuya Hermano.
Bakit? Siyempre, once a year lang tayo nagse-celebrate ng kapistahan, di ba? O eh, kailangan maging masipag tayo sa ganun yun eh. Kaya, wala! Tulog
His last movie appearance was in 2014, Moron 5.2, The Transformation, starring Luis Manzano, Billy Crawford, Marvin Agustin, DJ Dorano, and Matteo Guidicelli.
Sobrang nalalala. Pero hindi nyo nalalaman. Sila ang totoong bayan. Ang
Moreno died in January 2016 because of cardiac arrest. He was 82. In the next episodes, we will post the video of our recent visit of Manila North Cemetery and Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Manila Memorial Park and Loyola Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.